Your UHF really is only as good as the antenna you're using, and these, in my opinion, are the best of the best. This is the ATX970 twin antenna kit from Uniden, and they really are the cream of the crop. Now, you might be wondering, why would I need two antennas? Well, this shorter 3 dBi antenna is perfect for tight tracks and hilly terrain. Then, of course, there's the longer 6.6 dBi antenna, perfect for wide open places. The twin kit, of course, allows you to have the best of both worlds by swapping them out. It takes only seconds, there's no cables to muck around with, and just like that, you've swapped them over. This optional mounting bracket lets you easily fold the antenna down and out of the way for clearance in dense scrub or covered car parks. Built ultra tough with heavy duty fiberglass and big stainless steel springs, this is the kind of quality that gives Japanese engineering such a good name. Check out the entire Uniden range on their website at uniden.com.au.